people, welcome back to another video. As you read by the title, today we are doing a kind of a try on haul, kind of a styling video, kind of a no, not really DIY, but kind of a DIY, I'm not sure. In today's video, we are going to be styling men's clothes. I'm going to be going into my dad's closet. I know he's watching this, sorry. And we are going to be putting things together, trying to make them look good, trying to style them. Does that make sense? I hope so. Going to pick out 4 outfits at least, and I'm gonna try to make them look good. And you guys are coming with me. Before getting into this video, you already know the drill. Go follow me on Instagram. Go add me on Snapchat. Subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And let's get to it. So you guys are now coming with me to my dad's closet. We're gonna, hopefully he has some stuff that we can work with. He's not the most stylish person. He's not the most like fancier. His style is just basic. But today we're gonna try to make it look a little bit less basic and more fashion-like. So let's go. Okay. This is something that might work, right?
Yes.
Oh, I like this.
I think you can use that shirt in the corner right there.
This one?
Yeah.
But don't they all kind of look the same? Like,
yeah.
so how many fits? We have 1, 2, 3 regular t-shirts.
Okay, let's check.
Okay, so this is what we have so far. So we're about to try to figure out what the first outfit's gonna be. And I'll get back to you guys whenever I have it all on me. Do I button it all the way? There. Okay, so yeah. Get in here.
No.
Come here. Okay, so the first outfit that we tried, so that one was I wouldn't necessarily say that it was a complete fail, but it was. You know, I really tried my best to make this one work, but it wasn't super long. I was expecting it to fit more like a dress, and that was like the idea that I had for it. So, but it wasn't as long as I expected it to be, so it was a little short. If I moved my hands up a little too much, then I was gonna show a little too much back there. So this one was Would I be able to wear it in public? Yes. Should I wear it in public? No. So here's the item on him, and here's the item on May. Right here. I feel like a detective. I don't know how this could work.
Otra, de otro color. Solange, me voy a ir.
I don't like it. I kind of used my own clothing in this for this outfit just because he didn't have anything that I could kind of like pair this up with. So I'm wearing my own crop top, but this is his. The belt is my mom's belt. You gotta do what you gotta do. Show the shoes. Period. I feel like a model. Okay. We pulled up the sleeves just because they were a little bit long. we put the look together with this belt, my biker shorts, my crop top. Okay, the next item, I know that I wasn't wearing like all of his stuff. I had to kind of like pair it up with like some of my items so that it could look more put together. But this is his. And since it was big, I did have to use a belt to make it like snatch it in the waist area, just because it was kind of baggy and it didn't look good. And the purpose is to style it, to make it look good so that I can actually wear it in public. But this one was actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. This might be mine now. It might just go in my closet. Yeah, this one, I would say that I would actually wear this one in public. It made me feel like Gigi Hadid or one of those freaking models. But here is a picture of him wearing it. And here's a picture of me wearing it. Okay, so this is like kind of big, but we're gonna turn it into a crop top. So he's gonna be like, why are you doing that to my shirt? I'm like,
One side.
no, I don't like that. I've seen it. Okay, so I think I was gonna tie it and turn it into like a crop top, but I think instead I'm just gonna tuck it in because I feel like it looks better. And these are his jeans, by the way. He's not a big fella, so I do fit in his jeans quite well, so that's convenient.
No te pases de cintura. It's just too stylish.
Okay, we're gonna put on the belt just to see how it looks, see if it looks a little better. Okay, so since tucking it in wasn't really looking good, you're just gonna grab a hair tie. And just tuck it in. I like this. Okay, we're gonna put on these shoes and we're gonna style it with a red purse, and I'll be back. I like this. These shoes. I like it. Okay, so this one definitely has to be my favorite. These pants, these are not mine. They fit good though. And this. So that one was definitely my favorite. I really, really like that one. That one, that looks more like something that I would wear like on a day-to-day basis. So I really do like that. Baggy jeans, crop top, and I feel like the heels and like the purse kind of gave it a little bit of more style. So here's a picture of him wearing it. And here's a picture of me wearing it. All right, so this is gonna be the last outfit and I'm still trying to figure it out. So we have a shirt, right? I'm gonna button it all the way to the back and we're gonna try and see if we can turn this into a dress. You have it right here, right? So I'm gonna button up the back and then I'm gonna try and tighten it and see what we can work. If it works, then you're gonna see a clip of it working, and if it doesn't work, then we're just gonna try something else. Okay, so to cover up the mess in the back, we're gonna throw on some sort of jacket. Okay, don't mind the mess in the back because I have everything just thrown on my bed. But we just turned that into a dress. I threw on a little jean jacket, this is mine, and some shoes. Okay, so it is a bit of a mess in the back, but that's why I threw on the jacket so that it kind of hides it. Honestly, it's like baggy, but no one would ever know. And for the last item that we tried to style was this. And I am actually pretty impressed that we were able to turn this to a dress, because it actually didn't look too bad. It looked like an actual dress, at least I would say. But for this one, I wouldn't say it was my favorite. I would probably not wear it. But you know, doesn't look bad. Here's a picture of him wearing it. And here's a picture of me wearing it. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. That was it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up because you still watched it till the end. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'm out.
Never leaving you.